welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Today we're going to show you how to do the service light reset for this 2014 Volvo XC60. You can just see it's saying that there's 0 months and 0 miles left for service. So to start with, we'll just turn the ignition off. Just press the button once to turn the ignition to stage 1, and then you can press and hold the OK button. Whilst holding that, press and hold the start button there till the ignition turns to stage 2. Now you can release the start button and keep hold of the OK. Now as soon as the eye starts flashing there, release the button. And that should be it. Let's start her up now and have a look. Into service status, and you can see that's now set to 12 months, 18,000 miles. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.